2019 was a crazy year in the smartphone space. Yes, we saw a heap of trends like folding phones and high refresh rate screens, but no smartphone manufacturer got more press than Huawei. Yes, after the astounding success of the Huawei P30 series, the American president threw the Chinese tech giant on sanctions, or as they called it, a trade ban. This meant Huawei could no longer have access to hardware or software originating from the USA. Yeah, Trump kept giving Huawei a pass to still trade, but that only affected Huawei devices released before the ban. All devices released after the ban were still in hot soup. Are still in hot soup. But for us fellas in Africa, it's really no big deal that the phone is missing the Google suite of apps. And here is why. Internet coverage in Africa is still in its infancy. I mean, according to the dudes at GSMA, sub-Saharan Africa had an internet penetration rate of just 24%, which is literally the lowest of any continent on the planet. This means already the uptake of internet-based services is very low, to the point where if someone wants to use email, they will just go to an internet cafe and do their business there. Apart from availability of internet services, there is also the issue of affordability. In Zimbabwe, at the time of filming this video, 1.2 gigabytes of data on Net One costs around 150 Zim dollars, and 1.15 gigabytes of data on Econet costs around 165 Zim dollars. Not really affordable considering the low incomes, and it's a trend that is seen all across Africa. To make life easier for us and a bit more affordable, telcos in some parts of Africa have resorted to social media bundles that further restrict what individuals consume on the internet. Instead of buying a data bundle that allows access to the whole web, you get a WhatsApp bundle that just works on WhatsApp. All these factors result in a majority of Africans not relying on many of the internet-based apps or their services, which is really what the Google suite of apps is. No Google Play Store? No problem. Share It is the go-to app for app sharing and even app updates in Africa. As long as you have a friend with access to the internet, you are just as up to date as they are. Bringing the story back to Huawei, you'll see that its lack of Google Play services means its phones will come without Google Chrome, Gmail, the Play Store, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and so forth pre-installed. But it's not a worry because already the majority of Africans don't use any of those apps. Opera Mini is the browser of choice thanks to its reputation of massively saving data. WPS Office is a more popular mobile office app because it works offline, and Share It has the app sharing game on lock. So don't get me wrong, lack of Google Play services can get annoying because some apps actually require those services so that they run. I did a video on why apps won't run or won't install in some phones. I'll just throw a link to it and you can find out more there. The handicap imposed on Huawei might be a big deal in Europe and America, but in Africa, it'll work. As long as the camera is boss, the battery is everlasting, the price is within reach, we're gonna buy it. Heck, Huawei sold over 12 million Mate 30 smartphones despite them not having Google Play services. Though to be fair, most of those sales were in China, where Google services are not installed on their phones anyway. And globally, they saw a growth in sales from 2018 regardless of the imposed handicap. So I hope you're all ready for CES this year. Starting in February, you'll be seeing a heap of new smartphones getting announced. Tell me which ones you're looking forward to the most. Mine, obviously, is the Huawei P40 Pro. Bye-bye.